Most asset failures don't happen suddenly. They start small and then get worse over time. So the sooner you detect them, the easier and cheaper they are to fix. And that's what makes ultrasound reliability's first line of defense. Before a bearing vibrates, before a motor overheats, before an electrical fault escalates, ultrasound detects the earliest signs of failure. It senses the microscopic changes in friction, turbulence, and impacts that indicate developing issues across rotating equipment, electrical systems, steam traps, valves, and more. But ultrasound isn't just early, it's easy. Easy to train, easy to implement, and incredibly versatile. With a single technology, maintenance teams can find leaks, optimize their lubrication program, prevent equipment failure, and improve energy efficiency, leading to a fast return on investment. Ultrasound is more than a tool, it's the foundation of a proactive reliability program. Ultrasound first gained traction over 50 years ago as a fast and effective leak detection tool for compressed air, gas, and vacuum systems. It helped companies eliminate waste, cut energy costs, and gain a competitive advantage. But ultrasound didn't stop at leaks. Over time, it evolved into one of the most powerful and versatile condition monitoring technologies in the industry. Today, the world's most reliable companies trust ultrasound to prevent failures, reduce downtime, improve safety, and optimize asset performance across their entire operation. Ultrasound monitoring provides the earliest warning signs for impending failures and inefficiencies in your operation. It detects subtle changes in friction and impacting, the first signs that an asset's condition is beginning to degrade. By sensing these microscopic shifts, ultrasound identifies failures in their earliest stages, long before they escalate into costly breakdowns. The earlier you catch a problem, the easier and cheaper it is to fix. With ultrasound, maintenance teams stay ahead of failures, reduce downtime, and keep operations running smoothly. Ultrasound is the most versatile condition monitoring technology available. With a single tool, reliability teams can monitor rotating machinery, lubrication, steam traps, valves, electrical systems, and find air, gas, and vacuum leaks. Instead of juggling multiple technologies for different problems, ultrasound provides a do-it-all solution, helping companies boost reliability, improve efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance safety across the entire operation. Ultrasound delivers immediate wins that build momentum in your reliability program. Whether it's finding leaks, detecting early-stage failures, or optimizing lubrication, ultrasound provides quick, measurable returns. A single compressed air leak survey can instantly save thousands by reducing waste energy, especially since up to 40% of a system's air supply is lost to leaks. And with early fault detection, preventing just one breakdown can pay for your investment multiple times over. With ultrasound, return on investment isn't a waiting game, it starts on day one. Ultrasound is one of the easiest condition monitoring tools to adopt. Unlike technologies that require extensive training and complex data analysis, ultrasound is intuitive, user-friendly, and delivers fast results. Most teams can start detecting issues on day one, quickly identifying leaks, lubrication failures, and mechanical faults with minimal training. It's so simple that even operators can be equipped for frontline detection, reducing the burden on maintenance teams. And we make implementation even easier with free online training and expert support, ensuring your team gets up to speed quickly and starts seeing results immediately. Ultrasound does more than just enhance asset reliability. It drives what we call the triple bottom line of sustainability, profitability, and safety. Ultrasound helps companies cut waste by pinpointing inefficiencies like compressed air leaks, steam loss, over-lubrication, and more, reducing unnecessary consumption and lowering costs. Ultrasound helps organizations avoid unplanned downtime, by detecting early signs of failure, saving companies from costly repairs and lost production hours. And when it comes to safety, ultrasound plays a critical role in identifying electrical faults and other hidden threats to safety, helping prevent catastrophic failures and keeping workers safe. The world's most reliable companies use ultrasound because it delivers value across multiple areas, preventing downtime, reducing waste, improving safety, and providing a rapid return on investment, all while being an easy solution to implement. Ultrasound has evolved from a simple leak detection tool into one of the most trusted technologies in reliability programs today. If you're ready to take your maintenance strategy to the next level, ultrasound is the key to staying ahead of problems, extending asset life, and improving efficiency across your entire operation. Do you want to see what ultrasound can do for your organization? Click the link below to connect with one of our reliability experts.